Yeah. Young when a young sin a beast, and when I'm done, then a head spin a cash spin a brother, I'm the bread when I bread butter.
What's up guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to get your webcam to display if you restarted your computer and it's not showing anymore. So let's get into the video. So what you want to do is go to wherever your OBS is stored, right click on it, right click again the icon, and then go to properties, go to advanced and enable run as administrator. Hit OK, hit apply, and then hit OK again. Now run your OBS, and when you get to this state, if it's not showing, mine is showing right now, go to the webcam, the video source for the webcam, go to properties and go to deactivate and activate again, then hit OK, and it should be working now. So thank you for watching the video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.